Hi everyone, and thanks for stopping by, and if you're new, welcome. I have a little bit of old, a new, and a vintage. So let's start off with the old, okay? So I picked up some books at Savers. If you buy, I want to say it's 4 books and you get the 5th book free. And that's what I did. So I have a couple of cookbooks here, though there's actually 3. Let me try to get a little closer with the camera. So this is the Better Homes and Gardens So Good Meals. And there's a lot of, recipes that you probably wouldn't even think to look up on the internet. You know what I mean? Like, so it kind of gives you ideas of how they used to cook stuff, okay? So, you got your cranberry sherbet. Now, I wouldn't probably think of looking that up, right? So here we go. So we've got quick frosty ambrosia. Okay, and then let's see what else we got here. The kids are cooking, and you can kind of tell that this is pretty old, you know. And then we've got like just your average, like tossed green salad. Then you got fudge sundaes. So you can kind of get where I'm going with this. There's a lot of like chicken dinner. Anyway, so, and I just love anything that's old, with old pictures and kind of like, just like old ideas, because I can remember growing up and my grandmother would cook and it was so good. Okay, like how about this one, skillet ham salad. Okay, so you've got the onions, the green peppers, the ham, and then you got, oh, potatoes. Wow, interesting. So anyway, let me just show you the inside of a couple of the other, the other 2 books. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, I mean, there are a lot of really great restaurants out there, but you know how, like, the home cooking is always, like, really good, okay? So there's a lot of egg things, and got, like, I can remember seeing stuff like that when I was a kid at parties, you know. You got your, there's a lot of stuff here. Cheesecake tassies. I've never heard of such a thing. Okay. Well, that's, wait a minute, let me see something here. Cheese stuffed frank. Okay, so you cut a hot dog down the middle. Okay. And then you put, I guess, mashed potatoes and cheese in it. Wow. I never heard of such a thing. Cheese stuffed frank. That's funny. Okay. Alright, so anyway, you get where I'm going with it, right? They're really old cookbooks. They're from the 1960s, okay? And it tells you how, oh, the party chicken salad. I've always wanted to know how to make a good chicken salad. Okay, what do they got in that one? So they've got, something I wouldn't have put in it would be grapes, okay? And almonds, okay? So that sounds kind of good. So, and let me just go real breeze through the other one. Okay, this is about like barbecue and picnics. So these are all Better Home and Garden old cookbooks, okay? It even tells you how to make ice cream. So, and you can tell it's pretty old because of the pictures, okay? So, teriyaki, so yeah. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this book, guys, because I thought it was kind of like fun to, show you what I got. For, oh, Nutty Pups. What are Nutty Pups? Broil Franks to suit yourself, serve in hot toasted buns spread with chunky style peanut butter. What? Hot dogs with peanut butter on them? Great when made with Frank wrap-ups. Past the pickle relish. Okay. So I guess that's what that is. No, wait. Is that what that is? Nutty Pups? I don't even know, because they got 2 things next to it. But anyway, so let me go ahead to the next book, guys. Okay, so the next one is all about birthday cakes, and I'll just kind of skim through this and show you some of the cakes. Okay, so there's the bridal cakes. Oh, that's like a bridesmaid cake. And then you've got, these are like really old cakes. Okay, there's a cake for a golfer. There's like, oh, there's a cake for like St. Patty's Day, right? Happy what? But that's a horseshoe, so maybe I'm wrong about the St. Patty's. And then you've got your Valentine cakes, and then you've got a beautiful looking chocolate cake, and happy 100th birthday. Wow. So there's a Batman cake, and then it shows like, oh wow, look at that. That's so cool. So anyway guys, let me go on and show you a few more things. So here's the 2 table runners I bought, but some people are wondering what they look like opened up, so let me open them. Okay, so here's that aqua one, all pulled, put out with the cute little bunnies inside the eggs. And let me show you the pink one, because I can't wait to show you the vintage Valentines I got. Okay, and here is the pink bunny one opened up. Like a little bunny in like a garden. There's a big bunny and a little bunny. Oh my god, that is so adorable, right? So I got to show you the Valentines before I run out of time. Okay guys, so we visited the old, we visited the new, now we're going to visit the vintage, and I got these at Barnes & Noble's, and yes, $6.95, okay? And they're gonna have Easter ones, but these are still hanging around the store. Okay, so there's 24 cards and 24 envelopes, and let's just go through them really quick. I had asked for vintage, thinking they were going to bring me something from the 60s, but these look a little bit more Victorian, right? So they are cards, and you open them up, and then you can write whatever you want inside. And I'll just go through a few, okay, and show you a few, only because of time reasons. And I'm pretty sure that they are all blank. Yeah, they're all blank inside. And they're not real big, they're not real small. It's almost like invitation size. But I just want to run through these really quick. I'll hold up some of my faves, okay, so we won't run out of time here. And then I won't get like just cut short. Okay, this is like an old shoe. And a kitty. And 2 little kitties by the fire. And then the butterflies, be my Valentine, to my Valentine. This one is really cool, right? How about that one? That is so pretty. So guys, I think I might run out of time. I'm so sorry, so I'm just going to not talk and show you as many Valentines as I possibly can until the video runs out. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate you all. And I'll see you in the next video.